What if I told you right now, in the next 5 minutes, you could finally unlock TikTok payouts, verify your international accounts, link your payment information, and withdraw your earnings 7 if you're based in Nigeria or anywhere in Africa. No VPN needed, no foreign ID, just your local documents and this exact step-by-step blueprint. You've heard about creators getting paid by TikTok International. Maybe you think others show off their payouts, but when you tried it yourself, you hit a verification wall. Verify your ID with no foreign passports. You struggle to add payout details, you need UK or US bank info. You're left stuck in limbo, logged in, creating content, watching earnings that you can't touch. If any of this sounds familiar, you're in the right place. By the end of this video, you know exactly how to apply and qualify for TikTok's Creator Rewards program, how to use your Nigerian or any African ID to verify an international TikTok account, how to generate UK or US bank details using a reliable service, how to link those details to TikTok for withdrawal, how to initiate and collect your earnings nationwide. This works whether your account is set to UK, US or general international settings. Why it hits harder on iPhone? In my testing, the verification process is smoother on iOS. Here's what to do. Log into your TikTok international account, iPhone only. Switch your iPhone time zone to UK or US. Then go to the port, settings of your phone, go general date and time. Turn off, set automatically. Choose London or New York. Use a UK. US phone number physical SIM is best. Temporary online SIM works too. These tweaks help TikTok recognize your account as international and make ID phone verification easier. Step 1. Generate UK, US bank details. I walked through this in a separate deep dive video using the Grey app. Link in description or pop up on screen. GigPay account or Grey account. You can open an international bank account with them. That's what you use to collect your money. Here's a quick recap. Create your account on the Grey app. Choose UK or US bank account generation. You need full name, sort code plus account number UK or routing plus account number US, IBAN and SWIFT details. Write this down because TikTok won't let you revisit this screen once verification starts. Step 2. Aid verification on TikTok. Open TikTok, tap your profile, then Settings Creator Tools or TikTok Studio Creator Rewards Program. If eligible, 18 plus, 10,000 plus followers, etc. Tap Join BE, then Verify Identity. Choose country, region, UK, US or whichever your international setting is. Document type. Use your Nigerian National ID or passport, no need for UK ID. Upload your ID. Take a sharp, well-lit photo. Tap Use Photo. Wait for upload confirmation. Submit and wait. Typical review takes minutes to a few days. TikTok will notify you by email or in-app. Once approved, identity verified appears and you're clear to add payment method. Step 3. Add payment method. Go back to Creator Tools, TikTok Studio, Creator Rewards Program. Tap Add. Update payment method. Ensure country region matches. For example, United Kingdom. Select bank transfer, then link the account using details from Grey app. Beneficiary name. Copy exactly. Sort code and account number or routing plus account number. Email address. Toggle set as primary account. Submit. If successful, you see payment method added completed. Step 4. Withdraw your earnings. In TikTok Studio, go to Balance View Earnings Income. Tap Withdraw. Choose your linked account. Enter the amount or tap Withdraw All. Confirm the withdrawal. You see withdrawal in progress and funds should land in 3-5 business days, often sooner. Quick troubleshooting tips. Time zone mismatch. TikTok might block verification. On iPhone, double check. Verification took too long. Reopen Creator Tools. Identity. Resend documents. Payment failed. Verify account matching. Name, sort code, account number exactly. Need help? Drop your questions in the comments. I monitor every single one. Before you go, smash that like button. TikTok's algorithm loves engagement. Subscribe for more content like this and how to make content with AI hacks. Hit the share button, help another content creator breakthrough. This is more than a tutorial. It's your shortcut to unlocking global monetization on TikTok without outsourcing your documents or traveling abroad. You've got what it takes: your local ID, a bit of follow through, and this guide to lead the way. Go ahead, dial up your iPhone, change your time zone, prepare your ID and bank details, and let's make your first international withdrawal today. See you in the comments for the moment you hit withdraw. Happy creating!